Where are you going, Mr. Squirrel? Walk toward that cedar tree for a second. Let's see where he goes.
He's over here.
Where?
He's over here. Sitting on him. Behind this leaf.
Don't move too much. Can't see him.
He's kind of sitting on them. There's tons of acorns around here, so he is a squirrel just trying to get a nut.
Yeah.
Where do you see him? Oh, I see him.
Squirrel trying to get a nut.
He is a squirrel trying to get a nut.
Squirrel get a nut around here.
Look it up.
I can see your little eye back there. Squirrel time in the cedar tree at Olive Branch City Park.
Like grooming or something. Nice call.
Not much in here. It's pretty.
All the snakes, all of them and their brothers.
All in the whole wide world would originate from this hole. Except things that live in dry climates. What? Oh, there's a shaking a tail feather. That's where that dance comes from.
Yeah.
Let me see you shake the tail feather. Let me see you shake the tail feather.
You know, it would really add a lot to your videos.
Tell it, Charles.
Videos would be having someone peel out of the parking lot right around.
Yeah.
So we can see.
Hey, y'all walk this way just a little bit.
What?
Walk that way just a little bit.
I'm not riding herd correctly.
That's okay.
Not moving. Yeah, it did. Yeah, it did. It's over here now. Charles is now driving the herd back to you.
He is?
He's going to start driving it back to you in a second because he's getting closer. Yeah, there he goes. Coming to you. See, he's riding herd.
That's how you go squirrel hunting. You have one person on one side of the tree or a dog on one side and a... I know it. There he is. Oh, that's a pretty sight right there.
Well, now I tell you what's a blast for the past
Beautiful.
for me, Dad.
Olive Branch 11/27/2015.
Now that reminds me of being little kid.
Can't really... My dad would say that
It's
is
a squirrel nest, or
probably
is it a really big bird?
a squirrel
It's
nest.
a squirrel. Okay, I don't know the difference between a squirrel nest and a bird.
I'm not sure that I do either, but my dad would have said that was a squirrel nest.
Squirrel.
In that willow tree, I
Is
think
that a
there's another
mistletoe up at the top
squirrel.
of that one in the middle between them?
I don't know. That's something
that
I need in
another
a
nest?
picture, though. I need that in a picture.
They
Yeah.
do.
Yeah. Nothing in there.
Sometimes they do stuff with acetic acid or something like that.
They said a lot of the stuff that we're doing, it's highly flammable.
Yeah.
So we don't use flames in there at all.
Oh, no Bunsen burners.
No Bunsen burners.
What do they use? Some kind of electric burners or something to drive
Like a
that?
hot plate.
A hot plate, yeah. Aunt Brenda was in a lab, a general chemistry lab, where they were trying to use a Bunsen burner on something. And there was a girl in there that had a long sweater on in the wintertime. She caught her whole elbow on fire.
Oh no.
The genius of it all. But if you're not taught safety around that kind of stuff, you don't know. And our parents taught safety on them, so there's got to be a fish out there.
Yeah.
They're hunting for organic matter.
Bottoms up. Bottoms up.
Plants.
Algae.
They're hunting for
Algae.
plants. Yeah.
That's so funny. Look at
It's
their
like a
bottoms.
salad for them. It was somebody famous like that. And it tells the story of how Watson and Holmes met in boarding school.
Oh,
And how they solve mysteries. And it's really great. I love the movie. I wish I would have had it with me, but I don't have it.
When you're in the shallow water, you don't have to do bottoms up.
So they get like different types of organic matter, like
Plants.
from plants and
Or algae or something.
algae maybe, or
One lone Canada goose out on the island. Like that fall foliage right here.
That's really pretty. That's got green, orange, a little bit of red, and a little bit of yellow.
And then as you go down this pathway, there's kind of a nice perspective as things kind of get smaller. It's pretty cool. Magnolia offidus. That's
The big ones are the Magnolia grandifloras ones. The ones that I said there's never one that big ever in Texas. Those that are like 100 feet tall.
Oh yeah.
Those are unbelievable.
Give me a second.
And a squirrel looking for a nut. Now look, if you're a squirrel, you're not having to go far for a nut here at all.
No.
This is like easy pickings. This is like scratch heaven.
Another one down there too.
Yeah.
Right down there.